This video will show you how to go about installing the Snap Evergreen app on your computer so that you are able to do the Snap assignments on your machine. First, and inside of the card that came with your book, the Snap code card, there is a help screen in there that directs you to there it is, help.snap2016.com. So what we're going to do next in this video is download the executable file and install Snap on the computer. So I'm going to click the download executable file link. The file, I'm in Chrome, and I should have mentioned that to begin with. You should do this in Chrome to follow the steps the way I'm doing them. Okay, the download is complete, and I'm going to push the up arrow and I'm going to open. And then the Evergreen app setup is ready to get started. I don't know why it's called Evergreen, but they call it Snap. No idea. All right, I'm going to hit next. And we're going to choose to modify. This is like a new screen for me. Sorry for the pause. And next. And install. And yes. Once it gets rolling, it doesn't take very long to install. There we go. It's already finished. I'll push finish. Now, one thing to note is that you would think that you would need to go to your start button and find the Evergreen app. You do not. It is a background program. It doesn't even take up very much room on your computer. You can uninstall it by going through your system and choosing the uninstall programs option, but it doesn't show up as a program that you open up by itself. We're going to use it from inside Canvas. Okay, so that is how to install Snap